Hi guys, today we'll be doing a camera setting comparison with the Hubsan Zino Mini Pro. This will be a series of comparison video I'll be doing, including a comparison with the DJI Mini camera footage in my later video. So to make things less complicated, we will go with an auto camera setting for this test. First, we'll look at the difference in bitrate of the recording, since you have an option to adjust your bitrate with this drone. You can see that increasing your bitrate could actually let you see more of the texture on the trees in front of you, but also almost double up the file size of your recording. So do bear in mind before you hit the record button if that extra texture justify for the extra file size, since the 100 megabit footage wasn't too bad either. There's also a difference on the actual bitrate recorded, which will be based on your color profile selected, which we'll look into in a moment. So here we have a ordinary color profile, which has a 191 megabit recorded, even though we selected 200. And for the sunny color profile, the color has been enhanced, so there's a higher bitrate and a larger file size. And in more color profile, you will see that there's the least bitrate and file size recorded. Probably good if you're someone who wants to color correct your video footage. I think this is the least adjusted one. Personally, I like the sunny color profile better, as the color algorithm just makes it simple for me to not do any color adjustment, but still get an acceptable footage on my video. So I hope you find this short video informative and enjoyable. Do leave your comments down below and stay tuned for my next video. And goodbye.